Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As you all know, my name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in the leafy suburbs of Westlands, Kileleshwa, Riverside and Lavington. And if you have noticed, lately there has been an influx of apartment developments. Most of these high-rise apartments are for sale, but you can get some for rentals and others for Airbnbs. Today I'm going to take you around one of the apartments. It's a 4-bedroom, but the supply varies from 2 bedrooms up to 5 bedrooms. Before we start the tour, let's pretend that you all like seeing my face and you'll complain in the comment section until the video is over. As we went around, we discovered that the plinth area of the 2-bedroom apartments range from 120 square meters to 200 square meters. The plinth area of the 3 bedrooms range from 200 square meters to 250 square meters, and the plinth area of the 4 bedrooms 240 square meters to 320 square meters. Most of the 5 bedrooms ranged from 320 square meters all the way to 400 square meters. The prices started from 7.5 for the 2 bedrooms up to 12 million. The prices for the 3 bedrooms started from 14 million up to 25 million. The prices for the 4-bedroom apartments ranged from 17 million up to 30 million. And the prices of the 5-bedroom ranged from 28 million all the way to 40 million. We also discovered that more than 90% of these apartments come with clear title deeds that fall under Sectional Properties Act. That means that you solely own the property that you buy or the apartment that you buy, but you co-own all the amenities around it. That means that you share the amenities like the lifts, stairs, gyms and garages, and maybe any other amenities that can be found in that apartment. This unit that I'm going to show you today is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite with a plinth area of 280 square meters. The price of this unit is 25 million. From the entrance, you can see that this home comes with a fairly big lounge, and the space is already big enough to fit a 7-seater couch, but you still have extra spaces in case you want to fit extra chairs. The finishes of this apartment are very well done. The color is neutral. The gypsum ceilings are very well crafted, and as you can see, the living room or the lounge comes with 2 big windows that give you maximum natural light. The living room comes with a fairly big balcony where you can enjoy or get a glimpse of the morning sunshine or enjoy the horizon rays of the sunset. Taking a keen look at this showroom apartment, you'll see that the beauty has been magnified by the paintings on the walls and the flat screen that is at the focal point of this living room. Generally, this lodge is very good for your family, your friends or your guests. I like it already. From the living room, we'll jump directly to the dining area, and as you can see that the dining space is very big enough and there is a lot of space left to it. The dining area comes with a 6-seater dining set, but if you check very well, you can see that this space is big enough to fit an 8-seater or a 10-seater dining table. The dining area has an access to the big windows that comes with this unit, so it's very easy for you to have your breakfast or maybe your early dinner without having your lights on. On the other hand of the dining area, you have a space that has been left to put your crockery and your cutlery, and above it you have some mirrors that will make the space feel more comfortable. From the dining area, I'll take you to the kitchen, and as you can see, the kitchen is very well done. The kitchen comes with white granite countertops, a dark upper and lower cabinets. The kitchen comes fully installed with a 6-burner cooking stove, and you have a hood above it. The kitchen also comes with a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet, and access to water here is not limited, and you have a supply of cold water channels. On the other side of the kitchen, you'll see that the kitchen comes installed with a microwave and an oven, and above it you have an extra storage, and next to it you'll get spaces for your dry foods. On top of that, the kitchen comes with a very big pantry that will give you more space for more dry foods. This kitchen opens to the servants' quarter and the laundry area, and as you can see, the servants' quarter is not one of the biggest, but it's fair and enough for one of your servants. The laundry area comes with an industrial sink, spaces for your washer and dryer, and a space for you to wash your shoes. The laundry area also comes with an ironing board with multiple sockets, just in case more than one of you is doing the ironing. As I told you, this is a 4-bedroom apartment and it comes with an extra space that will act as the family room. The family room is big enough to fit a 6-seater couch. This space comes with multiple sockets for all of you to connect all your devices or maybe connect your other electronics. The space have an access to the main balcony, so from here you can rejoin the living room or vice versa. One thing that fascinates me about this room is the lighting system. It has been made to appear a little bit dimmer just to give you a very good environment for you to meditate or think about the businesses of tomorrow. From the family room and before you get to the first bedroom, you can see that this home comes with extra storages on the walls where you have different cabinets with different heights and sizes for your extra clothes and maybe your shoes. The first bedroom is of a standard size and it comes with a normal bed of 4x6, but the space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. This room is very well designed in the sense that from your bed area you cannot see the washroom and the closet is not in close proximity to the bed area. The closet is of a standard size and I think it's big enough to fit all your clothes and maybe your shoes. The bathroom of this bedroom is fairly big and it comes with a water closet, a vanity setup, and on the other side of the bathroom you have your shower cubicle. The lighting is very well done. From here I'll take you direct to the second bedroom. Though before I take you there, this bedroom can act as the guest bedroom. The second bedroom has been set aside for the kids and as you can see it comes with 2 beds. Though I don't think it's appropriate for this room to have 2 beds because this is already a 4-bedroom unless you have more than 5 kids. The room is very beautiful and the colors are neutral. The window is big, so maximum natural light is being received in this room. The tiles are wooden parquet and the closet space is sufficient. The bathroom to the second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom and it comes with a vanity setup with a floating sink and a floating water closet. In addition to that, this bathroom comes with a bidet sprayer and next to it you have the shower cubicle. This is a very well done bathroom. From the second bedroom we jump to the third bedroom, which is slightly bigger than the first and the second bedroom. This bedroom also comes with very neutral colors, a slightly bigger window and a 5x6 bed. The space is big enough because you still have some spaces left on the sides of the bed to put your bedside drawers. The closet to this bedroom is slightly bigger than the closets that we saw in the first and the second bedrooms, and the bathroom is slightly smaller than the one that we saw in the second bedroom. I don't know why, but I think because that other room, the second bedroom, was shared, but this one is meant for one person. From the third bedroom we jump directly to the primary bedroom and this is the biggest bedroom of this unit. This bedroom comes with a queen size bed, or you can call it a king size bed because it's very big. The bedroom also comes with 2 chairs for you to rest just maybe before you sleep, or you can sit there while you're having your prayers before you go to bed. This bedroom also comes with 2 windows, a dresser and a walk-in closet. Though this closet I wouldn't call it a walk-in closet because it's a walk-in closet wannabe. This bedroom also comes with its balcony, but its balcony is slightly smaller than the balcony that we found in the living room. On the other side, just before we get into the primary bathroom, you can see that the closet is big enough for you and your partner, and you can take one side for yourself and the other side will be left for your partner. Sometimes you don't understand the matrix of some bedrooms because the dresser of this bedroom is on the opposite side of the closet, of which I think they should be close together for easy dressing. Next to the walk-in closet, you have the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest in this apartment and it comes with a shower cubicle, a bathtub, a double vanity setup, and double spaces for your towels and your toothbrush holders. This bathroom has been very well done and very well crafted, and it comes with a very big window that gives you maximum natural light while you're having your bath during the day. That's all for this bedroom, and that's all for this 4-bedroom apartment. If you have enjoyed the video and you would like us to do more of similar videos, please comment in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because the more you subscribe, the more we get access to better and better properties. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.